Now a CRE1 grounding connection using an M7515 mold with our B106 handle clamp, designed to connect 4/0 wire to number 4 rebar specifically. Before we begin, let's make sure we have all the proper tools handy. They include the proper thermoweld mold, our new Easy Light remote with weld metal and igniter sticks, handle clamps, gloves, safety glasses, a soft bristle brush, a wire brush, propane torch, flint igniter, and rebar packing. Prepare the rebar for the connection the same way as the previous example by cleaning off the coating with a wire brush or grinder. You need to prep the mold by using a propane torch to remove all the moisture from the mold. Moisture in the mold can cause steam and make the connection porous. The mold needs to be heated for about 2 to 3 minutes to remove any moisture in the mold. It's only necessary to heat the mold for the first weld of the day. Then you'll wrap copper shim stock around the rebar on each side of where the connection will be made. This will limit the flow of weld metal around the irregular shape of the rebar, reducing the chance of a leak. Position the rebar into the mold with the shim stock slightly intruding into the weld cavity. Insert the wire into the mold, assuring the cable is centered in the weld cavity. Place the steel disc into the mold. We recommend sliding the disc down the side of the mold cavity into place. Carefully add the proper weld metal into the mold. This mold requires a number 115 cartridge. At the bottom of the weld metal container, we pack our starting powder. Make sure you don't release any of the starting powder by tapping the tube. We're using Thermoweld's Easy Light remote ignition system. You don't need starting powder when using the Easy Light remote. We include the starting powder with our Easy Light weld metal in case your Easy Light remote batteries are dead or the remote is damaged somehow. You can still use the flint igniter to fire your mold. Place the igniter strip into the top of the mold. Place the cord perpendicular to the hinge so it's out of the way of where the mold vents. Turn on the remote and press the igniter button. The Easy Light remote responds immediately. There is no lag time. Wait approximately 15 to 20 seconds, allowing the weld metal to cool slightly. Your CRE1 permanent maintenance-free connection is now complete. Remove the igniter strip and open the mold. Clean the mold with a soft bristle brush. This prepares the mold in advance for your next weld.